Okay, my dear students, today we are having a speaking session, and today you have to speak about the scope of tourism industry in our country. So you have to express your views as per your thoughts. Start writing down your names in the mailbox. Hurry up so that we can start today's class. It has been 7 minutes. Yes, come on. If not, I am calling your names directly. Hurry up. जल्दी करो. Now I have got some names. Harsh, Rohit, Rakshit. Okay, I have got the names of all the students. Remaining Harshit. He will come. So first of all, I am calling Harsh.
Yes, sir.
Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. My name is Harsh Yadav, and today my topic is tourism. As we know that all the countries in the world wants to make their economy at their peak,
Hmm,
because by economy we get money,
hmm,
and economy increases when the when the transportation of money occurs, like from one person to another.
hmm.
There are many persons which do not spend their
वो
money,
do not. Which क्यों लगाओगे? थोड़ा ध्यान दो. मैं बार बार कहता हूँ ग्रामेटिकल ध्यान दो.
who do not spend their money on anything,
Hmm,
uh, and although they have a lot of cash,
hmm,
this cash is known as black money, and if they will spend this in tourism,
hmm,
then the economy of country will grow, and tourism is the best source of increasing economy, because when there will be a lot of tourist places in our country, then the foreign tourists will come here and buy many things. This will increase many things like economy and transportation, unemployment, etc. Because when they will come, they need to stay there, so they will book a hotel. In this way, the people working for hotel
hmm,
will get employment and money also,
hmm,
and they will eat something. So on streets there are a lot of street stalls, and their business will also work fast. In this way, tourism helps a lot in increasing uh, in ha- in increasing the economy, and for increasing tourism in India, there should be a lot of facilities, like transport facilities, living facilities, etc.
hmm.
Because if they will be not there, then the person
देखो फिर आपने बिल्कुल यूज गलत किया ना कंडीशनल सेंटेंस में.
then if a person will come from
फिर गलत यूज किया.
any,
सिंपल फ्यूचर कैसे आएगा इफ क्लॉज में? हम्म. फोकस करो थोड़ा सा सर. ऐसे नहीं. अभी 2 दिन पहले ही तो बात हुई है अपनी. कल भी मैंने समझाया था आप लोग. बोलो.
they will not get good facilities, and they will say to their friends and relatives that we should not go there because there are no facilities. In this way, tourism will be less in India, and economy will not grow properly.
हम्म,
That's it.
हम्म. आपने तो केवल इकोनॉमिक्स पे बोल दिया बस कि टूरिज्म से इकोनॉमी कैसे डेवलप होगी. स्कोप क्या है टूरिज्म का? ये तो आपने कुछ बताया ही नहीं इस बारे में. तो स्कोप का मतलब क्या होता है? टूरिज्म को कैसे अपन बढ़ा सकते हैं? मतलब वो कैसे? मतलब कोई जगह तो होनी चाहिए ना उसको टूरिज्म के लिए. आपने जगह तो एक ही नहीं बताई. सो मतलब जो थीम था वो नहीं पकड़ पाए आप. इसलिए वैसे ठीक था आपका स्पीकिंग, लेकिन उस टॉपिक पे जो आपको फोकस करना चाहिए था ना वो नहीं आया कहीं पर भी. इसमें अब देखते हैं बाकी के लोग क्या करते हैं. यस, कम ऑन रोहित.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about tourism. As we all know, that tourism means visiting places in our surrounding, or you can say in other countries. If we talk about India, there are many places which we can visit. In Jaipur only, there are many historical places and architectures which many lack of people visit every day. Like in Jaipur, many forts are there, like Amergarh, and these types of forts are there, and also temples like Birla Temple, Govind Dev Ji Temple, and Kalyan Manji Temple. These types of temples are present in all the country. And I have just talked about the temples, or we can the monuments, or we can the places which are present in Rajasthan, Jaipur only. Many places are there in India, and in each part of the country there is a place where we can visit and collect the information. Also, tourism is we if we are visiting some place, then this does not mean going there, clicking photos and coming back together. When we go somewhere, we also spend some money, and money also, and if we spend money, the every person living there, the person who lives there get employment. And if you are going to a place or visiting some place, then the person who lives there get employment.
Hmm.
Many people from the outside other countries come to India and visit the places. By this way, the country get employment, because the people who are living near the places where the tourists visit, then the people of that place get employment. And as we all know that tourism helps a lot in growing the economy of any country, because if we visit some place, then the money from our purse goes out. If we go somewhere, we spend money on food, transport, on our shelter, means where we are living. These types of facilities are always present in all the places, in all the visiting places. In most of the places, these facilities are present. But if these facilities are not present in the places where we are visiting, then the visitors face a problem, and by this way the tourism of that place reduces.
Hmm.
And as you all know that if the tourism will reduce, then the people of that area would not able to earn their livelihood.
Hmm.
And as and tourism has a good scope in the future, because India is a very growing country. In nowadays, almost in every tourism place, there are facilities, like transport facilities, living facilities, and these types of facilities are present in almost all the visiting places.
Hmm.
But in some places now also, these facilities are not present, and people are facing problems by going that places. So as a citizen, I would suggest that the government should do something to improve the facilities at that areas, or we can say the places. That's it.
वेरी गुड, ठीक है, वेरी गुड। हर्ष को समझ में आया? क्या गड़बड़ कर रहे थे आप?
Yes, sir.
ओके बेटा, ठीक है बेटा। बी केयरफुल नेक्स्ट टाइम। यस, कम ऑन रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am speaking on the topic tourism. As we all know, that the field of tourism is very beneficial for a country, because they because the tourism develops the country by tourism develops the financial and economical growth of a country, and it and tourism is a big aspect of is a big aspect for a country also,
Hmm.
because because in by the improvement of tourism we can grow we can grow economically, and can can get many and can enjoy the places,
Hmm.
and and as you all know that in the past time, in the British administration, there was no tourism in, in India. People don't know about tourism.
Did
They were
not.
not
Huh.
did not know about tourism, and they were not attracted towards it.
Hmm.
But after we got freedom, people got some free time, and they and in the by the improvement of education, in the improvement of education, people know about the importance of knew about the importance of tourism, and slowly they came to know that tourism is very important, and and should be developed in our country, and slowly they
चलो, दो
developed
बार नहीं
many.
बोलते हैं इसको, ग्रेजुअली बोला करो.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Gradually, they developed many tourism places in India. Like we can take the example of Jaipur, that many tourism places are here, like Amer Fort, Jagat Fort, and uh,
Hmm.
and Govind Dev Ji Temple, Birla Temple, and City Palace, City Park, etc.
Hmm.
And and this and all, not only in Jaipur, there are so many tourism places in India,
Huh.
and having a different importance and history, and and tourism, and tourism should be developed in all countries, because many people, if tourism is developed in a country, many people are attracted towards it, and many unemployed many unemployed persons got job, and get job at like they get many new opportunities at the tourism places. They can improve, they can सर उसको सर स्थापित करना कर देंगे सर.
Establish.
Okay. They can establish many food stalls at the places, and types of sir many types of antiques of the place, and and tourism can be developed by connecting many transportation networks also, because if tourists do not get any trouble in going on the tourism places,
Hmm.
they will they will they are they will attract towards it, and they think that we can go it we can go there easily, and and gradually people starts to go there and see the place,
Hmm.
and this way we can develop tourism. So that's it.
Okay. ठीक है. Very good. Keep it up. Yes. Now, सुशील.
सर
Hmm.
सर अर्षित आ गया.
हाँ. Okay. ठीक है बेटा. बिल्कुल. इसके बाद अर्षित का ही नंबर. सुशील आओ.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Raman online interactive classes from 16. And today my topic is the scope of tourism in India.
Hmm.
As we know that we live in India, and many people of different religion and caste live here, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai.
Hmm.
And they have on their customs and food and their language and their heritage, et- et-
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश।
etc. And many tourists come in India to visit and to know about them. And so they get chance to represent their uh, their custom and their food and their dance, etc. India has many places to visit, like Jaipur. In Jaipur, Amer Fort, Jaigarh Fort, and the beautiful mall is WTP. And there are also many beautiful temples like Birla Temple and Kholeji Hanumanji and Ganeshji Temple, etc. And the famous hotel is also in Jaipur, whose name is Rambagh Palace.
शाबाश, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा।
It is famous because its fee is very costly. And if we see in Udaipur, so Udaipur is called city of lakes because there are many lakes, and the scene of lakes is very beautiful. And in Chittorgarh, if we see the fort of Chittorgarh is very famous because it is very big. And there are many temples in India which are very popular, like Vaishno Devi Temple, Jagannath Temple, and the famous temple of India is Ram Mandir. And it is very famous in the whole world, and many lakhs people come here to visit it. And these all things attract to tourists to come here. It attracts to not only domestic tourists but also foreign tourists.
क्या बात, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ।
And some people say that investing on tourism basing of like that it is very important. It is important for because it experience about the
कैमरा बंद करो अपना, कैमरा बंद करो अपना, कैमरा बंद करो अपना, कैमरा बंद करके बोलो।
yes sir. And we also get new about the things like we can take an example that if we are going to Ram Mandir, so we have to hire a cab and in the way we will see that we will see many big buildings and we will also see many cars and roads, and if we stay somewhere, so we will have some different food. So we can say that tour is very important us for us, and it is also important for people because it gives jobs to people.
हम्म,
Like if we are going to somewhere, so we will stay.
हम्म,
So so the worker of restaurant and the hotel will get job,
हम्म,
and it also increase our GDP, and
शाबाश।
the level of financial.
फाइनेंशियली फाइनेंस, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो।
Yes, sir. But there are lacking of something. First is the facility of transportation, and the second thing is the security of women.
हम्म,
The security of women is the biggest problem in our India,
हम्म,
because because some parents don't allow to their children to go
हम्म,
somewhere, because we know very well that there are some people in our society who are very bad.
हम्म,
uh, so I think that if the government pay attention on some facilities, so the future of India will very bright, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा, शाबाश। यस हर्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit More. I am the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is tourism in India. As you all know very well, that tourism is very important for everyone in his life. Um, tourism makes us beneficial in many methods, and it is also beneficial for our nation, as it is very important for us in the economical manner, as most of the people comes outside from this comes outside from the nation. So we have a lot of generation of money in such a way, and it is making us, developing India in many ways. Like as we can see that many of the foreigners come here for tours on packages, and this is helping us too much, because this money is used by government in various things. And tourism in our country has many advantages, as if we open our stalls near the tourism places, then we would have a lot of money generation, as most of the people come there for enjoyment, and they would have something for their breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. And there are many places for tourism in India, like Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal, such a type of places which are famous for their many things, so that these places attracts the foreigners to be in these to come here. And nowadays, as we can see that most of the people, after completing their jobs or before completing their jobs, they have a lot of enjoyment at the time of going here to there, as they have all the memories with them, that from where they started going to the trip, and how they would be in the end. And as we can see in Jaipur, there are many places for tourism, like Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal, or and many more places which are very famous for their heritage, heritages. And as we all know very well that tourism, oh, we know very well that the people who comes from abroad are attracted by these things because of some specialities.
हाँ
And there are many specialities in the things that are made by the in the ancient time. As you can take the example of Hawa Mahal, where there is no सर नींव को क्या कहेंगे
फाउंडेशन
सर आपका माइक बंद हो गया
फाउंडेशन
हाँ where there is no foundation in Hawa Mahal and
अंडर हवा महल
yes sir in the Hawa Mahal and nowadays in our nowadays most of the people are opening their shops near the Hawa Mahals and such a type of places because they have a lot of earning earning and in and if we are going if we think to go at any tour we have to so many plans that takes money so that money is paid to government and that is given to the employees of the country. So in my view tourism is very important for our health, for the economy of the country and all the things. That's it sir.
वेरी गुड शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया नाइस परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ ऑल ओनली हर्ष drifted a little so okay no problem take care next time okay thank you